Okay, hello guys. May I present you this figure that it's for free from Character Creator. I just uploaded it to the asset folder for us to exercise how to use the asset browser, which is so nice because for now this character doesn't have can't do much, right? I rigged it with AutoRig Pro. It had a skeleton before, but I prefer this one, better for exercise. There's something, I don't know, I'm finding it interesting for this exercise to have the characters do exercises, because it's an exercise. So how does the asset browser works? First, I'll go here to this tiny little corner or to that tiny little corner. Anything that has a rounded corner in Blender, if you click and drag, it creates a new window, which is right now kind of like Rick and Morty. Like you can fill the screen with different versions of things. You might get confused. If that happens, you right click on the division, click join areas, and make it easier. Now, to make it less Rick and Morty, we're gonna come here and on the viewport definer we will check asset browser. These are some assets that I have for other things. I'll check the whole in pose mode. I will check all of the rig controllers, and I will go here and check on current file. I will click on the camera, and I notice that the camera is looking anywhere, so I will go into the view tab. If you can't see that, it's because you have to press the N menu and check camera to view so that you can actually move the camera. For the purpose of this video, I will make the camera look, and especially for the asset browser, I will make the camera 1080 by 1080. That's in the printer icon. Great. So this will be the first pose. I'll just click the plus sign for the catalog, and I'll do create pose asset. And there we have our first pose asset. I'll rename the catalog and set type body poses. Sweet. Now, let's say I want the character to do an exercise. So I will go down, and we don't want to do like the matrix pose, so I'll put the arms here. If you click shift and spacebar at the same time, first shift then spacebar, you have this shortcut for operations. So I'll do rotate. I like this shortcut because it enables me to see the gimbal controller, which is a lot better. And now I will choose the controllers that I moved, and I'll do asset, create pose asset, and now I have that second asset. And now if I double click, if I click on all, if I press the A key, I select all, and I click on that, we can go back to that one. Let's have the character do something slightly weirder, like I don't know, put the feet there. I will press G and move on the Y axis so that it's on top of that. To make the body pose a bit more natural, I'll move it this way. And same thing here. Try to think about how the character moves though. And in this case, for instance, I can just select A and do create asset, create pose asset. And now I have this, I have that, and I have that. And let's add a pose that is, I'll do it based on this one, but I'll add a pose that is sort of like an idle kind of pose. I can step out of the camera now because I'm just using the camera to save the positions. and a bit like that. Good. Perhaps this one a bit up. Just a bit more relaxed, right? And I press A. I do asset, create pose asset, and now I have 4 poses. They're all using the camera. For the face, I have this character has facial skeleton, so I'll do face poses. Sorry, I'll do another one here called faces. Yeah, I have too many there, so delete catalog, and for the face, I'll check on the camera icon, get closer to the face, double click on this so I have the standard pose, and I can do some expressions such as, like, I don't know, sad face here. Isn't it great we have eyebrows? Great, and now I can check on the facial expressions, and so I'm going to do a new catalog there because that works kind of weird, and the face is there. I'll rename this one body poses, face poses, and then I can do some other expressions. This will be a sort of like I can't even. And then I go into the asset, create pose asset, and I have the different face. But notice that if I save it with just one pose, it doesn't work that well. So I need to create it with all the faces, the face bones that I'm using, all of them selected. So asset, create pose asset, that's better.